Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to read the types of literary sources, inscriptions and about numismatics. So we have read the religious literature in the previous class. Let's read about the three other literary sources, which is secular literature, non-religious literature and the historical literature. So let's read one by one. So for secular literature, there are many kinds of secular or non-religious literature. There are many kinds of secular literature and or non-religious literature. The law books of ancient India, known as Dharma Sutras and Smritis, belong to this group. The law books of the ancient India, known as the Dharma Sutras and the Smritis, belong to this group. They contain code of duties for kings, administrators and people. What they contain? They contain the duties for kings, administrators and people. They also contain rules regarding property and prescribe punishments for murder, theft and other crimes. They contain rules regarding property, prescribe punishment for murder, theft and other crimes. Kautilya's Arthashastra is a famous work. The Kautilya Arthashastra is the famous work. It not only speaks of the state and polity, but also of a socio-economic system. So it is not only speaks the state and the polity, but it's also of social economic system. Now let's talk about non-religious literature. Non-religious literature consists of prose, plays, poetry, dramas, as well as writings of Kautilya. What he has written: Arthashastra, Kalidas, Abhigyan Sakuntala, etc. Now what is historical literature? Historical literature consists of autobiographies of the ancient rulers and biographical sketches. The historical literature consists of the autobiographies of the ancient rulers and biographical sketches. Example: Harasha Charita. Now this is the picture of the temple, Java and Cambodia. So this is the Java temple, and this is the Cambodia. The temples found in Java and Cambodia tell us about spread of Indian culture to distant countries in ancient times. The temples in Java and Cambodia, what it helps? It helps that the Indian culture is spread to distant countries, means far away countries, in ancient times. Now let's read about inscriptions. What are inscriptions? Inscriptions supply valuable historical facts. What they supply? Valuable historical facts. The study of inscriptions is called epigraphy. So, study of inscriptions is called epigraphy. And what the study of history is called? History study is called archaeology. So let's see, the study of writings on ancient inscriptions and records is called paleography. The study of writings on ancient inscriptions and records is called paleography. Inscriptions are seen on rocks, pillars, stones, slabs, wall of buildings and body of temples. They are also found on seals and copper plates. We have various types of inscription. We have various types of inscription. Some convey monarchical orders regarding administrative, religious and major decisions to the public in general. Now let's see numismatics. The study of coins is known as numismatics. So three things we have learned: the study of history, the study of history and the study of coins and the study of inscriptions. So history is archaeology, and then inscription is epigraphy, and the coins is numismatics. So spelling, you see, the spelling is NUMISMATICS. So this is the spelling of numismatic. Now let's continue. Coins form another source of historical information. Coins is also the source of historical information. Ancient coins were mostly made of gold, silver, copper or lead. Coin molds of Kushan period made of burnt clay have been also discovered. So coin molds of Kushan period are made up of burnt clay that are also discovered. Some of the coins contain religious and legendary symbols which throw light on the culture of that time. Coins also contain the figures of kings and gods. The coin of the Kushana and the Gupta period give interesting accounts of those days. They throw light on religious, political, economic and commercial conditions. Commercial conditions. Every coin of the past has some story to tell. So our chapter is finished. Thank you. Bye.